How to enable or disable PHP's display errors via CloudLinux Selector in DirectAdmin. Sometimes, we need to debug PHP. Hence, we need to enable display errors. And sometimes, we need to disable PHP's display errors for security reasons. Let's start. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Go to the Extra Features section and click Select PHP version. Click the Options menu. If this Options page shows the warning message related to the PHP native version, change the PHP version to the non-native version from here. You can see that Display Errors is disabled. Check the box to enable it. It has been enabled now. To disable it, you can click to uncheck the box. Now you know how to enable or disable PHP's display errors. Thank you for watching.